In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to your PayPal account. Whether you're new to PayPal or just need a little refresher, this simple process will ensure your online transactions run smoothly. First, you need to navigate to the PayPal website. Open your preferred web browser and type www.paypal.com into the address bar. If you're already logged in, great. If not, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your email and password handy, and take this opportunity to make sure your account is secure by double checking your security settings. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top of the page for the Send and Request tab. You'll want to click on this option to bring up a variety of options for transferring money. PayPal is designed to be intuitive, and this menu is no exception. It's a central hub for managing all your sending and requesting needs. Now, you'll want to click on Request. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to request funds from others, which can then be added to your PayPal balance once the transaction is completed. If someone owes you money or if you're collecting funds for group events or shared expenses, this step is essential. At this point, you'll need to type in the verified email address of the person from whom you want to request money. This is crucial. Ensure that the email address is correct and that it's associated with a verified PayPal account. Verification helps both parties feel secure about the transaction, minimizing the risk of errors or misdirected requests. After typing in the email, it's time to confirm your request. Double check that all the details are correct before proceeding. This is your last chance to catch any mistakes, so it's worth taking a moment to ensure everything is accurate. Once everything looks good, hit confirm. This sends the request directly to the specified email, and they can accept it at their convenience. Remember, both you and the recipient will need to have active and verified PayPal accounts to complete the transaction without any hitches. There you have it. Adding money to your PayPal account is as easy as navigating through a few simple steps. It's a handy way to manage your finances online, especially when dealing with international transactions or splitting group payments. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day.